Hi everyone, on this video I am going to show you how to run this microphone on your Samsung, Realme or in general your Android phone. So first connect this part on your Type-C port, then go and click on this button to turn on the microphone until you have this flash. Then go to settings on your Android phone. Click on search and type developer option or in French les paramètres de développeur. Scroll down to find this word USB debugging. Turn it on and this way you have done the work on the phone. Now go and run your camera to record your video normally. Thank you for watching this video.